Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys?
Bye-bye.
Good, good. We're turning here. Let's walk, guys. We can't be late for church.
And I saw my spot.
Your what? Your spa? Oh, yes, your spa. Auntie Nansa's spa. Let's walk, guys. Please don't forget you're walking to church. Oh, okay. I understand. You'll get used to it. That's why we walk here. We get some little exercise. I get my babies. Aring, the steep is over now. Let's walk straight, please, guys. This way. What do they sing that song? Do you guys sing it at Christmas? We are marching in the light of God. We are marching in the light of God. We are marching, we are marching, we are marching in the light.